So in this video we're gonna talk about how to edit a video on Kinemaster. But before I start my demonstration, I would like to ask you guys to watch this video till end. Hello friends, this is Samrat. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is iTechVentureSolutions. As you all know that I have started a YouTube video tutorial series for those who are beginners in the process of being YouTuber. So if you are in the process of being a YouTuber, or you already have started your channel but don't know how to get going, then this YouTube tutorial series is definitely for you guys. So in this video we're gonna talk about how to edit a video on Kinemaster. But before I start my demonstration, I would like to ask you guys to watch this video till end. So folks, Kinemaster is mobile based video editing software application. You can easily export your video as per your requirement. The most important part of this software is it is easy to use, easy to handle, and easy to create video. You don't need any prior knowledge or experience of video editing to use it. Anyone who knows how to use a smartphone can learn it comfortably without facing any problem. Now I would demonstrate how to edit your first Kinemaster video. Let's get started. First, you need to go to Google Play Store and download the Kinemaster in your smartphone. Once you download and install the Kinemaster application on your phone, open Kinemaster application by clicking on this icon. Upon opening, you will see the open screen where you can choose your new project by clicking on this icon. Then it will ask you for which kind of project you want to create. It shows you the ratio of screen where it is 16:9 or mobile size or 101. By and large, all YouTube videos are made with 16:9 ratio. So here we are going to select 16:9. So let's select it. After that, once you open the project screen, you will get the media folder first, where you can select your video file from the media section. Let's select the media file from the folder. Here I am selecting this file to work with our Kinemaster software. Okay, once it's selected, it will show you on your layer bar. By just simply dragging here and there, you can adjust the video on layer bar and you can edit whichever part you want to edit. Before we start editing, let's understand the functions available in the Kinemaster. There are two panels at right hand corner and left hand corner. On the left hand corner upside, it is going back, then redo, undo, and you can see this capture screen. You can click on it, you can capture and save the screen, you can capture and add to the clip, then capture and add to the layer. All these options are available here. And if you click on the project setting, you will see there are settings available for your audio. You can adjust your audio, okay, adjust fade in or fade out your project audio. And then if you click on the video, you will see you can fade in, fade out the video clips. If you go to the editing, you can fit your screen, fill your screen, all of the options available here. Okay, and down you will have the layers. You can adjust the layers on this layer bar, and you can see you can go to adjust layer and layer down, layer up, layer. You can add many layers to this, and go to front end, go to back, back to front on that particular screen. It is very easy to handle. On one click you can go to front and go to end. All right, let's move to the right hand corner. On the right hand corner you have the variety of settings available here. You can add media, you can add effects, you can add animation, you can overlay the emojis, you can add text, you can add the handwritings to your video. So you see, it is very easy to add all these effects on your video on your fingertips. Okay, once you click on the audio files, you have the library of audios on your device. On the Kinemaster audio library, you can add any of the audio to use on your video. And the best thing, you can voice over by using the voice option. Once you click on it, you can record your voice. All right, and then you can voice over your video. So now let's start with editing our first video. So basically we're gonna edit our first video right here. So first of all, I'm gonna add some images to my video. So I go to media and select an image from my available source. So here I am selecting this image. So once this image open, I can resize it, I can move wherever I want. Okay, I can spin it, I can resize it, I can make it upside down, I can make animation to this. You see, there are many options available. You have to learn each and every options, but we are doing this basic, so we'll just pop this image on our video. Again, we are gonna add some emojis or some stickers to our video. So go to select some stickers, and once you select the sticker, you can again resize it, you can again make as per your convenient position. You can put it on wherever you want. So we're gonna drag it over here, resize little bit. Okay, now we're gonna add some text to our video. So let's click on the text. You can type your text. This is a test video, so I type test, and once the test is on your screen, you can resize, color, whatever you want to do, you can keep wherever you want. So I'll put it over here, click it. All right, and once you done with your video, you can play and check how it looks. Now I'm gonna cut this video into two parts because I want to add some animation to my video as well. So I simply go to that scissor option. You can see that scissor on that upside, click on it, then you can cut video, split video. I want to cut it into two. Okay, now my video is split, and again I can put some animation to it. It is called transaction from one screen to another screen. Okay, I select this one, so this transaction will be on my screen once my video will open. All right, so I have added this transaction. Let's see, we can check this video by playing. You can play that video by click on that play option. You can preview your video, how it looks. Now our video is ready. We can click on the export icon. We can click on the export and share option. Once you click on the export and share option, you will see the resolution of your video, the properties of your video, okay, what kind of quality it is. So click on export. Now it is exporting your video. Wait for a while, it's very quick because video is small, that's why. Now my video is converted. You can see the video is ready for upload on YouTube or wherever you want. All right, now just click on it, play with your media player and see this video. We have added text, we added image, we have added stickers. All right, then our animation as well. All right guys, this is it for today. I hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't so far. Share this video link with those who need this useful information, and please don't forget to click on bell icon to get updates from my channel. I also welcome your suggestions, observations and comments on this video. Please put your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much for patiently watching this video. See you soon with another useful information and practical based YouTube tutorial video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Sayonara.